In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades directly on TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to get to the right charting interface, open the trading panel, link a supported broker, and place orders straight from your charts with confidence. Start by heading to your browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView page that highlights tracking all markets. This gets you to the correct site quickly and avoids lookalikes. Once you're on the home page, hover over the products menu and choose Supercharts. Supercharts is TradingView's full-featured charting workspace, and it's where the trading tools and broker connections live. When the chart loads, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Go ahead and open it. The trading panel is your control center for brokerage connections, account status, orders, and positions. If you already know which broker you want, use the Find Broker search to locate it instantly. If you're still deciding, click Show All Brokers to browse the full list and review what each integration supports, like stocks, forex, crypto, or futures. It's a good idea to confirm your region and account type are supported before you proceed. Select the broker you want to use, then click Connect. You'll be guided through a secure login and authorization process handled by the broker. Follow the prompts to approve the connection. This allows TradingView to route your orders to that account. Be aware that some brokers require specific account permissions or live trading enabled before orders can be placed. Once connected, you're ready to trade directly from the chart. You'll see buy and sell options, and you can open an order ticket to choose your order type, quantity, and price. You can also set protective levels like stop loss and take profit so your risk is defined before you click send. Many traders like to place limit orders by clicking on the chart at their desired price, then fine-tuning details in the ticket. After submitting, your open orders and positions appear in the trading panel, where you can modify or close them as needed. A few quick tips before you place your first order. Double check you're on the right symbol and the correct account if you have multiple connections. Confirm your order type and time in force, especially around market open or close. Keep an eye on fees, margin, and leverage settings provided by your broker. And if you're practicing, look for available demo options so you can get comfortable without risking real funds. That's all there is to it. You've connected a broker and can now place trades directly on TradingView.